Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 3.2, problem number 6 and 7. This is lesson number 5 and HW number 3. Dear the students, at first I want to discuss about some formula related to this chapter. I have already written the formula. Here first formula is a plus b whole cube, and a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We can get this part from this. Here a cube plus b cube, then 3a square b and 3ab square. In two terms 3ab are common, so we can write 3ab outside of first bracket, and inside of first bracket we can write a plus b. Another formula, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here a cube minus b cube, then here 3ab and 3ab are common. In two terms 3ab and 3ab are common, so we can write minus 3ab outside of first bracket, and inside of first bracket we can write a minus b. Another formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Dear students, here two corollary exist. First one number corollary is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And another one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, dear the students, you have to memorize the formula. Now we will solve problem number 6 and 7 from chapter 3.2. Sixth number. Here the question is a is equal to 15. What is the value of 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130? Here value of a is given, and we have to find out the value of 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130. Now at first we will write, given that a is equal to 15. Now we have to find out this expression. Now 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130. Have to find out the value of this expression. This is equal to, instead of 8a cube we can write 2a whole cube. If we multiply 2a, multiplication 2a, then 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, and a multiplication a is equal to a square, and a square multiplication a is equal to a cube. Now instead of 60a square we can write 3 into 2a whole square into 5. Here 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20 and 23s are 60 a square. So we can write 3 into 2a whole square into 5 instead of 60 a square. Again, instead of 150a we can write 3 into 2a into 5 square. Here 5 square means 5 multiplication 5 and 5 multiplication 5 is equal to 25, and 25 2s are 50, 53s are 150, 150. So instead of 150 we can write it. Now instead of 130 we can write 5 cube plus 5. Here 5 cube means 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 25s are 125. For making 130 we have to add another 5. Now if we consider 2a as A and 5 as B, then we can say it a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So instead of this part we can write 2a plus 5 whole cube, because you know that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, this is equal to a plus b whole cube. Here we are considering 2a as a and 5 as b. Now we will put the value of a. Here value of a is 15. So 2 multiplication, value of a is 15 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. Since a is equal to 15. Now 2 multiplication 15 is equal to 30, 30 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. This is equal to 35 whole cube plus 5. 35 whole cube means 35 multiplication 35 multiplication 35. If we multiply 35 in 3 times, it will be 42,875. 42,875 plus 5. If we add 5 with this number, then it will be 42,880, and this is the answer, 42,880. Dear the students, we have solved 6 number problem. Now we will solve 7 number. Here 7 number question is, if a plus b is equal to m and a square plus b square is equal to n and a cube plus b cube is equal to phi cube, show that m cube plus 2 phi cube is equal to 3mn. Okay, let us start. At first we will write given that a plus b is equal to m, a square plus b square is equal to n, and a cube plus b cube is equal to phi cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to phi cube. Therefore, left hand side, here left hand side is equal to m cube plus 2 phi cube. M cube plus 2 phi cube is equal to, here the value of m is a plus b. So instead of m we can write a plus b whole cube plus, here value of phi cube is a cube plus b cube. So instead of phi cube we can write a cube plus b cube. In bracket we will write putting the value of m and phi cube. putting the value of m and p cube. Now you know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we'll write it. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If we multiply a cube plus b cube by 2, then it will be 2a cube plus 2a cube and plus 2b cube. Now, a cube plus 2a cube, this is equal to 3a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube plus 2b cube, this is equal to 3b cube. Here in these two terms 3a square are common, so we can take common 3a square. That means we can write 3a square outside of first bracket, and inside of first bracket we have to write. Now if we divide 3a cube by 3a square, then it will be a, plus if we divide 3a square by 3a square b by 3a square, then it will be b. Again in these two terms 3b square are common, so we can write 3b square outside of first bracket, and inside of first bracket we have to write, if we divide 3ab square by 3b square, then it will be a, plus if we divide 3b cube by 3b square, then it will be b. In these two terms a plus b and a plus b are common, so we can write a plus b into 3a square plus b square, 3b square it will be. Here 3a square plus 3b square, in these two terms 3 are common, so we can write it, we can write 3 outside of the bracket. That means 3 into a plus b into a square plus b square. Now a plus b is equal to, here the value of a plus b m, and a square plus b square is equal to n, a square plus b square and a plus b m. So we can write here 3mn, and this is the right hand side. Here right hand side is 3mn. Right hand side. Therefore we can write left hand side and right hand side equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Should. Dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Do your SW properly. At the time of doing SW, at first you have to write the formula, then you will solve question number 6 and 7 from 3.2 and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.